This is a new donation to the Maine Forest and Logging Museum by Jim Gahn. It is a Sally saw, number 360. There are only 600 of them made. This one's in beautiful condition. It's been restored by Mr. Gahn. And his father-in-law bought it when he was 17 years old in 1947. And it was the first mechanical saw. It has a rotary blade. And this was primarily used for limbing trees and then also bucking up wood. It wasn't generally used for felling trees. It weighs about 75 pounds, so it's kind of a chore to get it out into the woods. And we're going to get this thing running and show you how it works.
Thing run for you?
She's quite a beast. Shouldn't be named Sally saw. It should be named Burly Man saw.